lovely. So it's Vlogmas day 5. I'm going to do grocery shopping for some recipes that I saw on TikTok that I want to try. So yeah, come with me grocery shop. This is gonna be a short, cute one. We're gonna do a little haul. I got some Wendy's because I don't want to cook today. Okay, so I got some apples. The apples go with the gelatin powder because I saw this apple marshmallow recipe that I want to try. So I'm going to look forward to it. Another recipe I'd seen was the poppin' cranberry recipe, so I got items for that as well. The creator I saw use 7-Up. I couldn't find 7-Up, so and the cranberries, and it also goes with powdered sugar for that recipe. Thirdly, as a Ghana girl, I want to make tea bread because I miss home. So I got stuff for tea bread. So I have my flour, my yeast, milk, condensed milk. This is just for the topping to make it sweet. Vanilla. I got margarine. So that's that. And then I got a couple stuff for myself. Got lips. Got some frozen desserts. Vanilla wafers. Some frozen meal. And this is my favorite. I love soap pops.